Salesforce Space Station.
Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to configure Salesforce Custom Lightning Tab in Salesforce. In our previous content, we have created a custom tab, and these custom tabs are tied up with custom objects. One example would be project is a custom object. So this is a custom object, and we have created a custom tab for this specific project. So in Salesforce System Configuration, in order for you to show a particular object as a tab, you will have to create a custom tab in Salesforce. So as for the Salesforce Custom Lightning Tab, this is where you can display different components like dashboard, related lists, or related list views, recent items, chatter, and so on and so forth. So let's do it. Let's go to setup. So from the quick find, just type in App Manager. So in here, we're gonna select the Sales Lightning Sales app. Click Edit. Alright, so the first thing that you need to do is to create a Lightning page wherein you can put all the components that you want. So let's click on the drop down right next to Pages. Click New Page. Click App Page, and then click Next. Since this is going to be a Sales Lightning page, I will put a label Sales Lightning page. Click Next. And then I'm going to select the first one. Click Finish. So in here, so this is actually a Sales Lightning page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the dashboard component in here. Okay, and then I'm gonna put in the recent items under the dashboard. And let's also enter the chatter component or chatter feed. Okay, so once done, just hit save. And then click activate. Now you just have to click the Lightning Experience. This is where you can add this app page into your Sales Lightning app. So I'm gonna click on Sales, Add Page to App. So this is the Sales Lightning page. And then just hit save. Now all you need to do is to check the Sales app by going to App Launcher. Click the back button. Or let's just go on this tab and then click App Launcher, type in Sales. Alright, so it worked. Now let's try to click this Sales Lightning page. Alright, so as you can see, all the tab is already visible on the navigation items. And all the components that we've added are showing as expected. So I hope you enjoyed this content. Thanks so much for watching.
Salesforce Space Station.
Hey guys, please don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. And as always, you can find some more episodes right here.